Hello viewers, you're welcome. In today's tutorial we are going to be solving or simplifying this. So what this is going to give us, right? So what we're going to have is that we're going to have this to be 25 over 5 minus root 24, and this is going to be multiplied by, we take the conjugate, we have 5 minus or plus root of 24, then divided by 5 plus root of 24. So now we can see that this is going to be 25 times 25, we are going to have 125, right? Then plus 25 times this, we are going to have 25 root 24, then divided by here. You know that if you have a minus b, a plus b, this will give us a squared minus b squared. That is difference of two squares. So we are going to use it here because we're going to multiply this by this. So this is going to give us 5 squared like this minus root 24 all squared, right? So this is going to be 125 plus 25, and you're going to have 25. And you know that here also this root 24 can be root 4 multiplied by root 6, so which is going to be 2 root 6, right? So that is root 24. So we're going to have 25 multiplied by 2 root 6, then divided by, this will be 25 minus this, we cancel this, we have 24. So you know that 25 minus 21, this will what? This will give us 1. So therefore we are going to be left with 125 plus 25. Okay, root what? Root 24. Oh, sorry, root 25 dot root 6. Right? So from there, the next thing we are going to do is that I'm going to rearrange this as 75 plus 50, then plus 25. This 25, you have 25 points, that is dot 2. So I want to take this 25 back to this 25, I want to take it back to the root. So if I take this 25 back to the root, so I'm going to be having square root of, this is going to be 25 all squared, right? We have 25 all squared, and the 6 that is inside there can be split at 3 times 2, right? So we have what? We have 75 plus 50, then plus 2, then root, I can split this 25 times 25 times 3 times 2. So I'm going to have 75 plus 50, then plus 2. Then here, let me take this 25 and 3 together. So that is 25 times 3. I bring them together. Then times 25 times 2. And bring that one 2 together. Alright. So now from there we have 75 plus 50 plus 2, this will be 25 times 3 will give us 75, then multiply by 50, right? So now also I can split this like this by having 75 plus 50 plus 2, then root 75, then dot root what? Root 50. So from there, the next thing we're going to do is, I want to write this now in this form, a squared, because this is like a squared, or let me say imperfect square, that is a plus b all squared to give us a squared minus or plus 2ab plus b squared. So that's how I want to write it now in this form. So if I want to write that, so this is going to be like 75 square roots all squared, right? Then plus root 50 all squared plus 2 root 75, okay, dot root 50. So now let me put the parentheses here like this, 2, then I put the parentheses here. So now when you look at this now, you can see roots, this will still give us 75, and this root 50 raised to power 2 will still give us 50 here, but because we want to write it in this form, so now looking at that, writing this in this form, that is perfect square, so can you see what we are going to have? So which means that we're going to have this to be root, the giant root, let's write it, root 75. We're going to have root 75, okay, which will be our a, then plus root 50 all squared according to what we have here. So everything here now can be expressed like this. So now by doing so, you see that this square will cancel this giant square root. We're going to have root 75 plus root 50, right? So from there, the next thing we're going to do is we can rewrite this as 25 multiplied by 3 plus 25 multiplied by 2. So this is going to be, taking this, we have 25 dot 3, we have 25 dot root what? Root 2. So from there, so we have what? We have this to be 5 root 3 plus what? 5 root 2. So since 5 is common, we can take 5 outside. We have root 3 plus what? Plus root 2. So this is the solution to the problem, right? So therefore we, okay, this one here to be 5 into root 3 plus root 2. And that's the solution to the problem. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share this to your friends. All right. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel before, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.